Jasmine es un chica guapa.
Muy guapa.
Y Frank es muy guapa.
Oh, hello. Prøv, jeg kan ikke. Hey,
jeg ved ikke,
Mr. Carlo.
Olá, todos fãs do caralho, como estão?
Yankees!
I don't know the name. Un Fabio.
Português muito bem.
She speaks Portuguese really well.
Yeah, I think I understood. Okay, cool. Hello, Rico. What?
You make a movie from your trip?
Yeah, exactly. But
Exactly.
the camera is just like no.
No battery.
No, it's not low battery, but I'm too.
You're drunk, so the image doesn't.
Exactly.
It's like you're trying to make a movie in the top of a ship.
Yeah.
On the boat, in the
Something
middle of the
like
sea.
that. Okay, hello.
That's a good excuse.
Yeah. Exactly. Skål. Har du fået et kys på kinden? Må I se, må I se. Oh,
It's
is it
the emo
from
who did
her? Is it from you?
Yes, it is.
Can I get a kiss too?
You want one?
Yeah, to the camera. Thank you.